The 2024 Hyundai Tucson has distinguished itself in the competitive small SUV segment by earning the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus award from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. This accolade underscores Hyundai's commitment to safety and innovation, making the Tucson a top choice for discerning drivers. To achieve the Top Safety Pick Plus designation, the 2024 Tucson had to excel in several rigorous safety evaluations. It secured good ratings in the small overlap front and updated side tests, as well as an acceptable rating in the updated moderate overlap front test. These assessments are designed to measure the vehicle's ability to protect occupants in various crash scenarios, particularly focusing on the safety of second-row passenger. One of the critical updates for Tucsons built after March 2024 is the modification of the rear seatbelts, enhancing the overall safety for all occupants. During the moderate overlap front test, the Tucson's structure demonstrated excellent resilience, with measurements from the driver dummy showing no significant injury risk. Although the second-row dummy indicated a slightly elevated risk of head or neck injuries, and the dummy's head came closer to the front seatback than ideal, these issues were not severe enough to affect the vehicle's top safety rating. The Tucson's standard front crash prevention system also played a pivotal role in earning the IIHS award. This system received a good rating in the pedestrian crash avoidance test, showcasing Hyundai's advanced safety technology that helps prevent accidents before they occur. Additionally, the two available headlight variations on the Tucson have been rated as acceptable, ensuring good visibility in various driving conditions. The 2024 Hyundai Tucson stands out not only for its sleek design and impressive performance, but also for its top-tier safety features. By meeting and exceeding the stringent criteria set by the IIHS, Hyundai has proven its dedication to protecting drivers and passengers. For those seeking a reliable, safe, and stylish small SUV, the 2024 Tucson is an outstanding choice, offering peace of mind on every journey.